Hi, this is Mikey Taylor, Unitronic Pro driver and driver of the number 17 RS3 LMS TCR in the IMSA Racing Series, taking you on a flyer lap around Sebring Raceway in 2019. Coming down to turn one of the most daunting corners of the season, very bumpy, very fast. You want to get to the apex and let the car float all the way to the outside while carrying as much speed as possible. Down into turn 3, down the gears, on the brakes, drive the car to the apex using a little bit of curbing to get the car to rotate. Through here, it's all about tire management and managing the weight transfer of the car and getting a strong run down here into turn 7. A good passing opportunity in the race, and also a good time for you to check your mirrors and take a bit of a breather. Hard on the brakes into turn 7 at the 3 board, down the gears, get to the apex and straighten up the car as soon as possible coming out the corner to get that power down and get onto the straightaway here. Once again, a good time to talk to the team over the radio and keep an eye on those mirrors behind you. Hard on the brakes here into turn 10, getting to the curbing, use a little bit of curbing to get the car to rotate, and once again it's a bit of a struggle coming out the corner managing that wheel spin. Down here in turn 12, one of my favorite corners, you got to balance the rear end of the car, get to the apex, a little bit of curbing there to rotate the car, and on the gas, heading down into turn 13. This far section in the back of the track, one of the best spots for the Audi and the balance of the RS3 platform. Quick braking, down the gear, using the curbing once again to get the car to rotate, and turn 16 vital to get a good run on the back straightaway, over the curbing all the way out to the edge of the track, and once again up the gears and down the back straightaway. The RS3 platform is one of the fastest cars in a straight line in the TCR class, so a great spot to make some passes here in the race. Into turn 17, deep on the brakes as hard as possible, just managing the front tires while you have steering input in and you're trying to apply the throttle coming out the corner. And onto the start-finish straight, and that was a lap of Sebring Raceway in 2019. Thanks for watching and keep sporting Unitronic.